Hey everyone, it's James of geometriccharts.com. It's about 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We got the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, BTC, USD on the Bitfinex exchange. So first of all, video is not investment advice. Second of all, Bitcoin's basically creating a nice energy coil. It almost looks like a bear flag. I mean, especially if I kind of box it out a little bit, you can see right here. Now, the market, not what you want to see in Bitcoin. Like, this is the last thing you want to see is a bear flag forming. But if Bitcoin can break above 4360 on Bitfinex, which is the prior top, if we can break through there with conviction, meaning a strong push, like a strong big candle or bar, depending on what kind of chart you're looking at, then price is more than likely going to try to trek higher to relieve a lot of this selling pressure in this market. And that's pretty much all this is a relief rally. I highly doubt the bottom is in. So since we're kind of coiling out, to me, I'll take it as a positive sign for Bitcoin. Going into the weekend, price is going to be choppy. Most weekends, price really doesn't do much. Whatever's gained is lost. Whatever's lost is gained. So typically at the end of the day, everything ends up flat. The alts, though, look like they're trying to pump up. The alts typically can pump ahead into the weekend versus Bitcoin, because I believe Bitcoin is contained due to the futures pricing. So anyways, that is about the best case scenario. Bitcoin getting above about 4360, smashing through that. I mean, with conviction, a big candle or bar would signify that there is higher to go in Bitcoin. If not, and it's a feeble attempt, or if Bitcoin starts to drop out of this bear flag that's forming on the chart, then that's it. It's going to come back down, revisit 3,200, and then the question is, do we find support at 3,200, or does price start to trek lower? If it treks lower, then obviously it's going to move back into the twos before it starts to find yet another prior area of where price accumulated, where buyers and sellers were very active. So just like we've been active in this blue zone, we could potentially move down into the next blue zone if the 3,200 bottom does not hold up. And I do think in the near future, we are going to have a retest of this bottom. I do not think the bottom is in for Bitcoin, but short term, there could be some more bullish price action if Bitcoin can hold this zone. If not, then we're coming right back down to test. So hopefully all that makes sense to everybody. I hate, it's literally 50-50 here. You can see clearly that there is a horizontal consolidation forming with this orange line. I'll make it pink. That way it's easy for everyone to see on the chart. But you can clearly see what's happening. Price has moved to a horizontal axis. And what that means is that basically there's a 50-50 probability. Now, I don't like the fact it's shaping up to be a bear flag, but at the end of the day, you can clearly see the oscillation right around that horizontal axis. So anyways, that's it for tonight. We'll see. I imagine not much is going to happen going into the weekend. Sunday night, Monday mornings, those are typically the days where Bitcoin starts to show its true colors and what's going to start to happen. I've noticed sometimes that starts to drip into Tuesday, but mainly Sunday night or Monday morning is where the real price action starts to pick up yet once again, because then you have the futures contracts reopening. So other than that, everybody have a great weekend, great day, great night, depending on where you are in the world. I thank you for your time. I thank you for your support. If you do like the videos, please like, comment, subscribe, and follow, and I'll produce another video